In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Notion student plan and start using its education features. To begin, open Notion on your computer or in your web browser and sign in to your account. If you do not already have an account, you can create one first, but for this process, the main goal is to make sure you are logged in and ready to access your workspace settings. It helps to do this on a stable internet connection so the verification and plan update process goes smoothly. Once you are signed in, go to Notion's student or education plan page. This is the page where Notion explains the benefits available to eligible students and guides you through upgrading from a regular account to the education option. Take a moment to read the details on this page so you understand what is included and whether the offer matches your needs. If prompted, use your school email address. This is important because Notion may use your academic email domain to help confirm that you are eligible for the student offer. Make sure you enter the correct school email linked to your institution. If you are already signed in with a different email, Notion may ask you to add or switch to your school email during this process. Next, verify your student status. Depending on your school and region, this may happen automatically through your email address, or you may be asked to complete an additional verification step. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If verification takes a little time, that is normal, so be patient and wait for confirmation before moving on. After your student status is approved, choose the free student plan or the education upgrade that appears for your account. Review the plan details one more time before selecting it, especially if you want to confirm which features are included in your version of Notion. Then confirm the plan change in your account settings. This step makes sure the update has actually been applied to your workspace. It is a good idea to check your billing or plan section afterward so you can clearly see that your account now shows the student or education plan. Once everything is confirmed, you can start using the student features available in your Notion workspace. Explore the upgraded tools, organize your classes, notes, assignments, and projects, and take advantage of the features included with your new plan. That's it. You're all set to use Notion as a student.